Hi y'all, Pam Powers here with my Open National Trainer friends. We're going to share a multicultural dance with you today called Samoa Sasa. Samoa Sasa is a Polynesian dance and you perform it in rows or straight lines, one seated behind the other. You can also do this dance standing up, but I like to do it seated, cross-legged, sit up as tall as you can, shoulders over your hips and hands on your thighs to start. So we're going to learn 3 different parts today. Step number 1 is a clapping pattern. The first clap we're going to learn is called a patty. Hands up, you're going to clap the fingers of one hand to the palm of the opposite, and we're going to do this 4 times. Ready? And patty, 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 patty. Excellent. So now we're going to do our second clapping pattern. It's called po. We're going to cup our hands, turn them sideways. We're going to do a po clap 4 times. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now let's put those 2 claps together. 4 patties, 4 pos, and then we'll repeat it through. Ready? And patty, 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 po, 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 po. Patty, 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 po. And again, patty, 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 po. Patty, 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 po. Stop. Excellent. That's step number 1. Now, step number 2 is going to add the patty and the po with what's called a flick and a slap. So hands are up. We do 1 patty, 1 po, and we're going to flick our hands. And we do this by starting with our palms forward towards our face, roll our palms out and flick our hands up and out, slap our thighs, slap. So it's patty, po, flick, slap. Ready? Try that now. Patty, po, flick, slap. Patty, po, flick. Again. Patty, po, flick, slap. 1 more time, stop. That is step number 2. Step number 3 is going to be flick, slap, flick, slap, flick, slap, patty, po. It goes like this. Starting to our right, we're going to take our hands up and we're going to flick, slap the floor, flick, slap the floor, to the center, slap the floor, and patty and po. Let's try that all together. Ready? And flick, slap, flick, slap, flick, slap, patty, po. Flick, slap, flick, slap, flick, slap, patty, po. Excellent. Now let's put all 3 steps together. Starting from the top, 5, 6, 7, begin. Patty, 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 patty. Again, patty, 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 patty. Again. Last time, patty, 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 po. Ready? Patty, po, flick, slap. Patty, po, flick, slap. Patty, po, flick, slap. Patty, po. 3rd step. Flick, slap, flick, slap, flick, slap. Patty, po, flick, slap, flick, slap, flick, slap, and stop. At this point, you would start from the very top, do all 3 steps all together again. A couple of teaching ideas with this. Have the students partner up and work on each step facing a partner to help them practice until they feel like they have it. Teach each step and then add 1 step on at a time until you've built up to do the whole thing. Have a great time. Enjoy the dance.